Hi everyone, I hope you're doing really well. I'd like to take just a minute or two and show you my 5 favorite features of the 5 Series interactive panel, Optoma's latest addition to the Creative Touch line. Now, I happen to be working with a 65-inch size panel here. These are also available in 75 and 86-inch sizes. If you're not familiar with Optoma's Creative Touch line of interactive panels, please click the link in the body of the post or the video description for more information. You'll also find there a link where you can schedule a virtual online demo. So if you're interested in this product for you or your customers, please schedule a demo and take advantage of our virtual demo program. The first feature I'd like to introduce you to and tell you about is the Jones Scheduling Assistant. We've built the widget right into the home screen of the operating system. It's a scheduling assistant compatible with Google Calendar, Microsoft Exchange, Office 365, as well as iCal from Apple. It shows us here the next scheduled calendar event begins in 44 minutes. We can start a new event or cancel the next session. If I click on the widget here, it's going to open up the screen where it'll give us a description of all the upcoming events. Here we see the rest of today's timetable. The next feature I want to show you is the 5 Series Creative Touch's ability to have multiple windows running side by side. For the 5 Series, we've improved both the core processor and the graphics processing unit, enabling multiple Android apps to run side by side simultaneously. Here we can see I have a PDF open on the left side of the screen and a web browser open on the right side of my screen, and I can use both simultaneously. It should be pretty clear how this will be a very effective tool in both corporate and educational environments. Next feature I want to show you is the Tapcast application. And while Tapcast is not new to the Optoma Creative Touch, it was available on both the RK and RK Plus predecessors to the 5 Series. We've improved it. In the 5 Series panel, we can share from 6 mobile devices simultaneously. So this is a sharing and collaboration tool. Here I'm sharing from 6 devices at once in a split screen mode. And Tapcast is compatible with iOS, Android, PC and Mac, as well as Chrome OS devices, enabling a lot of really rich sharing and collaboration to take place. And keep in mind that Tapcast enables not only content to be shared from mobile devices to the interactive panel, but content from the interactive panel can be mirrored on all your favorite types of mobile devices. The fourth feature I want to highlight is the screen recorder that we've built right into the operating system of the 5 Series panels. I can not only capture what's going on screen, but with an attached webcam like this Logitech, a picture-in-picture image of the presenter can be embedded alongside the on-screen content. This is fantastic for education. Teachers can record material for the students to view remotely. They can leave instructions for a substitute teacher, for example, should they plan on being absent. And in the corporate world, you can make videos like the one you're watching. The last feature I want to show you these 5 Series panels is the active pen holder. The active pen holder makes it really easy for even those who aren't so tech savvy to get the most out of these panels. Just removing the pen from the active holder launches our interactive whiteboard program, and from there we can go ahead and complete this equation, for example. There we have it. So thanks so much for your time. On behalf of everyone here at Optoma, thank you for watching.